Because of the way that technology is utilized today, we're not really doing anything new. There's nothing really new underneath the sun. Things have gotten better. Things have gotten more, user-friendly. They've gotten, a little bit more robust. The computing power has increased, but the need for a human being to actually interact with those systems still exists. And because these systems are growing and becoming more complicated, the skill sets involved with that individual employee have grown. And what we have found is you can develop a business pipeline. You can have all of the new business coming in that you would want to maintain that level of service that your customers have grown to expect from you. You have to be able to match it and meet it with new and better talent. So how do you grow that talent?
I think apprenticeship is the way to build a trained workforce, period. It's the best way to build a skilled workforce, because what you're doing is you're allowing an individual to learn a skill or trade and at the same time earn money. So that individual isn't having to give up 6 months, a year, 2 years to go to the college or even to come here, but they're out there learning it on the job. And what better training than learning as you're performing the tasks?
I would say 80% of our workforce can go through non-traditional education and actually come in here as an apprentice and learn this job. 80%. 20% require a college degree because the customer requires a college degree for that position or for that project. So therein lies the need for both a college trained workforce and a apprenticeship on-the-job training workforce.
So with Inspired, what we've done is we've developed an apprenticeship where the individuals are going to be coming in, that they'll make an application, they'll go through a screening process. Zach and his group over at Inspired will make the selections as to who comes in that apprenticeship, and they're going to be working on a laddered apprenticeship. So as they earn different credentials and they meet different steps, they'll keep moving up within Inspired in their industry. And so it may be that they come in and they earn, the basic CompTIA certification, which is kind of at the help desk level. And if that individual wants to continue moving up, they can keep going, to the next. There's a whole suite of CompTIA certifications. And the more they learn and pass those certifications, kind of the higher on the ladder that they get, and the higher they can move up within that organization. Giving them all, a year, because they're going to be working full 40-hour weeks, to see how it is that they progress.
These students who are passionate about technology, well, let's educate them to what they're passionate about. If they want to be in IT, let them be in IT. Don't try to put them in something else that they don't want to be in.
From the business perspective, they're getting a better candidate. From the employee perspective, they're getting trained. They're getting a skill that they can use at the end of the apprenticeship. If it's set up as a 2-year, and with this one, it depends on how far they move up. Zach can either choose to keep that individual employed, or they're going to be able to leave there with recognized credentials and a recognized completion of an apprenticeship, which is similar to having your AA, that they can take and they can, that's recognized in their industry.
So what we are striving to do is basically change that mindset model. Get these students that are graduating career ready. Not next level of education ready, career ready.
American Graduate Getting to Work is made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.